Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's try to understand HTML lists. HTML provides some elements to group related items into a list, which can be any of the three different types that HTML supports. The first one is unordered list, second one is ordered list, and the last one is description list. Coming to unordered list, unordered list is defined using UL tag, and each element of the list is defined using li tag. And the example is here where we have the beginning tag here and the ending tag here for the whole list, and each element is defined like this. By default, each element on the list is marked with circular bullets, and we also have definitions for defining different other bullet styles which are being discussed in a separate topic that we have on our website. We have linked that article here, and we'll be creating another video describing all the other bullet styles. The next one is ordered list. Ordered list is defined using OL tag, and each element is defined using li tag. And the example looks like this. And the beginning tag for the list, the ending tag for the list, and each element is defined like this. And by default, each item on the list is marked with numbers. We have different other numbering styles for this ordered list, which are being covered in a different article which is linked here. And we'll be creating a separate video explaining how we can include different types of numbering styles in an ordered list. The last one is description list. The whole description list is defined using this DL tag, where each item on the description list will include a term and a description defined using the tags DT for each term, and DD is for the term's description. By default, each item on the list should be defined with DT element followed by the DD element. As I already mentioned, DT is for description term and the DD is for the description. And this is how the example will look like. And both these two tags will become an item in the description list, where the first one DT defines the term, and this is for the description. The next item is this, and the last item is this on this particular list. We have included an example that explains all the three different types of lists: unordered list, ordered list, and a description list here. And this is a sample HTML document which we can open it in a browser to see how these three different types of lists will display on a browser. Let me open the source code for this. Here is the source code. We have included all the three different types of lists here. Let me open the source code in the browser. So when we open this document in the browser, this is how the three different types of lists will look like. This is for unordered list. As you already mentioned, each of the item on this particular list will have a bullet style of disk or a round circle. And the next one is ordered list, where we have the numbering style, one that starts from 1 and goes on. And this is how the description list will be displayed on a browser. So overall, when we want to group some items into a list, then we always have to choose the right list type that HTML provides. So among all the three different list types, so make sure that we pick up the right one when we are grouping items and displaying it on our HTML documents. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.